Am I the a-hole for shutting down my brother's proposal at my baby shower and then sending him a bill?
What? Welcome to Lab Cats, where curiosity doesn't kill the cat.
It just makes us try the quirkiest and weirdest things out there. Today at Lab Cats, we're trying out quirky sheet masks from Miniso.
And the twist is we're going to read out Reddit stories and react to it without really reacting because we can't talk while we have the mask on. But let's see how that goes. So we have a bubble sheet mask.
Ooh.
So these masks are from Miniso and it bubbles up after you apply it on your face.
Oh, damn. I don't think I can wear it.
Do you think it's gonna work? Oh dude, it works! Damn!
Do I look like a lion now?
Okay.
Why are you laughing?
Don't look at me. I don't want to look at you.
Everybody's laughing.
This feels so good.
Am I the a-hole for shutting down my brother's proposal at my baby shower and then sending him a bill?
What?
Am I the a-hole for shutting down my brother's proposal at my baby shower and then sending him a bill? I am 29F, due in November with our first baby. We planned a small mixed baby shower at a local village hall. Some nibbles, silly games, a couple of speeches. Me and my husband paid for most of it. My mother-in-law chipped in for desserts. It wasn't anything mad, but it was our little celebration.
What's going in your mouth?
A week before the shower, my brother, 26M, texted asking if he could propose to his girlfriend during the party because the whole family will be there. I told him no. I said I'd be thrilled to help plan something special any other day, but I really want to keep the shower about, the baby.
Yeah, absolutely. It's still in your mouth.
That's what she said.
On the day, during toast, my mom calls my brother up to say a few words. He starts chanting about love, family, and I see him pat his pocket.
Why? Why? Didn't she already say no?
I think he's going to do it.
Why? Why would he do that? Oh my god.
He turns to his girlfriend and starts to go down on one knee. I stood up. I walked over, took the mic, not yanking it, and said, "Hey, we love you guys, but we're not doing this today. Let's please keep today focused on the baby. We'll help you celebrate properly soon, I promise."
She said that on the mic?
I know, उसने तो बैंड फोड़ दी उनकी.
Bhai, imagine this happening in a Desi family. The amount of courage. Like from the moment the mother said two birds from one stone, it sounded like a Desi family.
The room went dead quiet. His girlfriend looked mortified and legged to lose. My brother got angry, said I have embarrassed him, and left. The rest of the shower was awkward. Obviously. Afterwards, a few family members said I did the right thing and that proposals at other people's do's are tacky. Others said I should have just let it happen and not caused the scene. That night, the family group chat blew up. My mom said I was controlling and that she had planned a clear surprise moment with the venue, as if that was the point. Oh my god, it's slipping.
Oh god.
I said I'd already told them not to do it and that consent matters for parties too. My brother said I ruined his big moment and that his girlfriend had planned to fly her sister over next week. So this could be the only time everybody was together. Right here, here's when I might be the a-hole. The next morning, I sent my brother an itemized request to cover half of the hall and the extra drinks package. 220 pounds total.
Bro.
I swear, बहुत महंगा भाई.
We deserve it, guys.
Since he tried to, in his own words, make it our day too. I said it if he wanted to use the party at his proposal venue, he could have helped pay for it. He hasn't paid, obviously. And now says I am being petty and tight. I know sending bills look bad, but I was hurt.
I think this is the most relatable thing for Indians because the amount of backlash you will get for standing up for yourself. I don't think that was petty at all to send a bill, bro. I would definitely do it.
I think the brother is mummy ka favorite child.
Definitely. Is he the younger brother? I think younger brothers are like that, you know.
So, am I the a-hole for taking the mic and shutting him down? And am I the extra a-hole for sending him the invoice?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either.
Never mind, we're gonna move on to my story. And this is from the subreddit TIFU. Today I effed up. By microwaving my socks at work.
Why?
You what?
At work.
But why?
Who even thought you would put your socks where you put your food? Oh my god, how do you come up with that shit? I wanna know how this ends up.
True.
Okay, so I biked to work. This morning, it poured on me halfway there, and my shoes and socks were absolutely soaked. By the time I got to the office, my feet were pruned like raisins.
Oh
He's
my
already comparing it to food. I thought, okay, I'll just dry them out real quick in the break room microwave.
Why? Why?
I've seen people do gloves in there before, no big deal.
Why?
Who puts in gloves in microwave?
इसका ऑफिस करता क्या है? Gloves और socks क्यों कर रहा है गरम?
I take off my socks, toss them in for 2 minutes, and go back to my desk. About 45 seconds in, I smell something awful. His socks.
Obviously.
But it smells like throw up in here.
Crazy world, lot of smells.
Then the fire alarm goes off. Turns out, the synthetic material in my socks basically melted and filled the entire office with smoke. And then you smell something awful, like hair mixed with wet dog.
And
Why
you're
does
still-
this person describe everything with food?
And he's still wondering कि अरे क्या होगा भाई तूने तेरे socks microwave में डाले हैं?
Yeah. So everyone evacuated, no shit. Building management shows up, asks where the fire was, and all my co-workers are standing around shivering in the parking lot, while I had to admit it was my socks. Now the microwave is trash. HR sent an email reminding everyone not to cook clothing. And I have achieved a permanent nickname status, Hot Socks. Moving on, I think our 10 minutes are over.
Do I look good? It's set to massage.
Do I look slimy?
Yes, take every essence from the mask. Liquid be.
Stop rubbing it in my face. What is wrong with you?
Thank you all for watching. If you want us to look more prettier and bougier and bonita next time, comment on more products that you would want us to try.
Subscribe to CC for more such videos.